Okay, now we're going to connect from the pubic bone to the navel, and this is going to give us a lot of sink into creating space into that lumbar spine. So come to all fours and just place that gold ball directly into the center of the pubic bone. Come onto your knees and then curl your toes over beyond your forearms and come into a nice plank position so you can engage those abdominals and get as long as you can right through the neck, through the back, connecting. And as you breathe here, you want to go ahead and just soften the tops of the feet down to the mat and let the feet come down, the knees come down for a moment so that you can feel that sacrum start to soften as it sinks from the sacrum towards the pubic bone, towards the ball. Take a breath there. Then let's go ahead and go back into our plank position. Walk the body back. The ball's going to still be touching the top edge of the pubic bone, but just starting to work into the abdomen there. And big breath. So as you inhale, again, the inhale breath is a little less intense. It pushes you out of the ball. And then as you exhale, you're going to let that ball sink directly in towards that lumbar spine. Let that sacrum curl. Walk the arms out a little bit so you can reach the ribs away, front, side, back ribs. Big full breath again. Let it sink deeper, deeper, deeper. One more breath here. And then walk the body back one more time here and take it about halfway between the navel and that pubic bone. The inhale breath is going to push you out a little bit. Exhale, sink directly in. One more breath. And go ahead and reach with those arms and lift and get those ribs separated, and then walk your body back. Take the ball right to the navel. Inhale. As you exhale, come up high onto those hands. Reach, 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 reach. Come down and come off. That's going to give you a huge length. Go ahead and lie on your back and just feel how long the spine and that lower belly feels. And take a breath. And go ahead and roll to one side. Push yourself up and come up to seated.